Our topic today is a common issue that many of us face: Outlook crashing or stopping to respond when used with Office 365. This can be quite frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of something important. Now, why does this happen? Well, there could be several reasons. The most common one is that your software might be outdated. If you're using an older version of Office 365, your Outlook might not work properly. Another reason could be that there's an issue with your add-ins. Sometimes, certain add-ins might not be compatible with your version of Outlook, causing it to crash or stop responding. Your Outlook profile could be another culprit. If it's corrupted, it can cause your Outlook to malfunction. This is more common than you might think and can happen due to a variety of reasons. Now that we know the possible causes, let's talk about the solutions. If your software is outdated, the fix is simple: update it. Make sure you have the latest version of Office 365 installed. If the issue is with your add-ins, you might want to disable them one by one to see which one is causing the problem. Once you find the problematic add-in, you can either update it or remove it. And if your Outlook profile is corrupted, you'll need to create a new one. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. You can easily do it from your control panel. So there you have it. These are some of the reasons why your Outlook might crash or stop responding when used with Office 365, and how you can fix it. Remember, if you're still facing issues, it's always a good idea to reach out to a professional.